Bingo! Fun for everyone. Hey everybody, it's Alan. Today we're going to dive into one of the most exciting and universally loved games out there, Bingo. Whether you're a seasoned player or a complete newbie, Bingo has something for everyone. It's a game that brings people together, creating moments of joy, laughter, and sometimes even a bit of friendly competition. You know how much I love games. And guess what? Today we're diving into the exciting world of Bingo. This game has been around for ages, and it's still as popular as ever. Why? Because it's simple, fun, and anyone can play it. You don't need any special skills or equipment, just a bingo card, some markers, and a good sense of humor. It's a game that's perfect for everyone, from your littlest cousin to your grandma who loves to knit. Imagine a game that can bridge generations, bringing together kids, parents, and grandparents all in one room. That's the magic of Bingo. It's not just a game, it's a way to create lasting memories with your loved ones. Bingo is all about matching numbers and shouting bingo at the top of your lungs. The thrill of waiting for your number to be called, the excitement of marking your card, and the sheer joy of finally shouting bingo. It's an experience like no other. And let's not forget the cheering and high fives that follow. It's a moment of pure, unadulterated happiness. It's super easy to learn, and it's a blast to play with friends and family. The rules are straightforward. Listen for the numbers, mark them on your card, and be the first to complete a row, column, or diagonal. But the real fun comes from the interactions, the jokes, and the shared excitement. It's a game that brings out the best in people, making every gathering a little more special. Get ready to have some laughs because Bingo night is always a good time. Whether you're playing at a community center, a family reunion, or just a casual night at home, Bingo has a way of turning any event into a celebration. The anticipation, the near misses, and the eventual wins make for an evening filled with laughter and joy. So grab your lucky charm, put on your thinking caps, and let's learn how to play Bingo. Whether you believe in lucky charms or not, having a little token can add to the fun. And don't worry if you're new to the game, we'll walk you through the basics. By the end of this, you'll be ready to host your own Bingo night and create unforgettable moments with your friends and family. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, you need a Bingo card. This little card is your gateway to an exciting world of numbers, anticipation, and of course, fun. Imagine it as your personal ticket to a thrilling adventure where every number called could bring you closer to victory. Think of it as your treasure map to Bingo glory. Each card is unique, filled with a random assortment of numbers that make every game a new challenge. The excitement builds as you wait for your numbers to be called, and the thrill of marking off each number is unmatched. Each card has a grid with numbers scattered all over it. The grid is typically 5x5 with each column labeled B, I, N, G, and O. The numbers range from 1 to 75, and they are placed randomly on the card. This randomness ensures that no two cards are alike, adding to the excitement and unpredictability of the game. See that square in the middle? That's the free space. This special square is a freebie already marked off for you. It's like a little gift giving you a head start on your way to Bingo. The free space can be used to complete any line, whether it's horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. It's already marked off for you, lucky you. This means you're one step closer to shouting bingo and claiming your prize. The free space is a crucial part of your strategy, so make sure to use it wisely. It's like getting a head start in a race. Imagine the thrill of being just one number away from winning, and that free space is the key to your victory. The anticipation builds with each number called, and the excitement is palpable as you get closer and closer to completing your card. No two bingo cards are the same, which makes it even more exciting. Each game is a new adventure with different numbers and different challenges. The variety keeps you on your toes and ensures that every game is fresh and engaging. So take a good look at your card and get ready to mark those numbers. Pay attention to the numbers as they are called, and be quick to mark them off on your card. The faster you can mark your numbers, the better your chances of winning. So get ready, stay focused, and most importantly, have fun. Now here's the goal. Get 5 squares in a row. You can go horizontally, vertically, or even diagonally. It's like connecting the dots, but with numbers. Imagine you're drawing a straight line through your bingo card. 5 in a row, and you're the bingo champion. Get those lucky numbers called, and victory will be yours. Who knows, you might even get bingo in more than one way. It's like winning the lottery, but with less money and more bragging rights. Section 4. Listen up, calling out the numbers. Now someone will be calling out the numbers. They'll say something like B12 or O62. Listen closely because if you have that number on your card, you get to mark it off. You can use a pen, a marker, or even a lucky bean. Just make sure you can see which numbers you've marked. It's like a scavenger hunt, but instead of searching for objects, you're searching for numbers on your card. Section 5. Bingo, you won! If you're the first person to get 5 squares in a row, shout bingo as loud as you can. Don't be shy, it's your moment to shine. Everyone will check their cards to make sure you're right. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving mysteries, you're solving the mystery of who got bingo first. And if you're right, you're the winner. You get bragging rights, high fives, and maybe even a prize. Section 6. Bingo. Anywhere bingo everywhere. The best part about bingo, you can play it anywhere. Whether you're at home, at a community center, or even online, bingo brings people together in the most delightful ways. Imagine the joy of playing bingo with your family on a cozy evening, or the excitement of joining a community event where everyone is eager to shout bingo. You can play at home with your family, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Picture a scene where children and parents gather around the table, eagerly waiting for the next number to be called. The laughter, the anticipation, and the shared joy make it a perfect family activity. At a community center with your neighbors, bingo becomes a social event that fosters connections and camaraderie. Seniors, adults, and even teenagers can come together, bridging generational gaps and creating a sense of community. It's a wonderful way to meet new people and strengthen existing relationships, or even online with people from all over the world. The digital age has made it possible to enjoy bingo with friends and strangers alike, no matter where they are. Online bingo platforms offer a variety of games and themes, making each session unique and exciting. You can join a game from the comfort of your home or play on the go using your mobile device. Bingo is like a big, happy party in a game. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the experience. The thrill of marking off your card, the joy of shouting bingo, and the celebration that follows make it an event to remember. Whether you're playing with friends or strangers, the shared excitement creates a bond that transcends the game itself. It's a chance to make new friends, laugh with old ones, and enjoy the simple pleasure of playing a game together. The social aspect of bingo is one of its greatest strengths. Conversations flow easily, laughter is abundant, and the friendly competition adds a layer of fun that keeps everyone engaged. And maybe even win some awesome prizes. The thrill of winning, whether it's a small token or a grand prize, adds an extra layer of excitement to the game. Celebrating a win with your friends or family makes the moment even more special, creating memories that you'll cherish for years to come. So gather your friends, grab some snacks, and set the stage for an unforgettable bingo night. Preparing for a bingo game can be just as fun as playing it. From choosing the perfect snacks to setting up the game area, every step adds to the anticipation and excitement. And get ready for a bingo extravaganza. Whether it's a casual game night or a themed bingo party, the energy and enthusiasm of the players make it a truly special event. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of bingo and experience the joy, laughter, and connections it brings. Bingo anywhere, bingo everywhere. Section 7. Let's play bingo. So there you have it, bingo. It's easy to learn, fun to play, and a great way to spend time with people you love. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a bingo newbie, I hope you have a blast playing this classic game. Remember to have fun, be a good sport, and always shout bingo with enthusiasm. Now go out there and get your bingo on.